Hi, Caleb.
Hi, folks. This is me. I don't know them, but this is me.
You are a liar and you know
know
it.
me?
Except for Amanda, because she's bloody fabulous.
Hi, Gabe. Wow, you scary.
Up your.
Ryan. Whoa.
Smile if you're not Gabe.
Hey, look, it's everybody back there. They're being. Hi.
He's got balls.
Don't lose those.
I know.
Can
we play?
What?
Can we play?
Yeah.
Okay, because I know how to play and it's really fun.
Whoa.
Hey,
What?
I did dog food yesterday, but they
Hello, people. Okay.
You weird.
I am your girl.
Oh my gosh! I think you're my boyfriend now.
Yeah, we know.
This is like falling down. The random ponderings of Gabe, don't you love it? And this is Terry. He's almost fabulous. Almost.
He's 30 years faster.
Pretty much.
Hi! Whoa! Andrew! Yay! Terry again!
Jared,
Pay
show
attention.
Jared.
Come here!
That's disturbing.
Show Jared. It's over there.
What?
Jared's over. Wait.
Jared!
I'm poking him. Stop moving the camera. Not poke.
I'm falling!
It is falling.
Again. Friends, more of them. No!
Yes, but I would like to admit that I don't know anybody else besides Sam, because she's and Amanda, because she's bloody fabulous.
Of course.
What's my name?
Yes.
Whoa, it's an eyeball!
It's funny because when you said that, you were clearly pointing at the space between his eyeball and his ear. That's pretty amazing.
Ah!
Gabe, don't even.